Yeah. I'm out of there. I did it. It's over.
You did it? What happened?
I told her. In the kitchen, which was risky because it's near all the knives. I started with the word listen. I said, listen, Marlene. And the next thing I know, I'm in the middle of it. And there's this voice inside of me going, you're doing it. You're doing it. And then she started to cry. And I weakened a little bit. I almost relented. But the voice, Jerry, the voice said, keep going. Keep going. You're almost out. It's like I was making a prison break, you know, and I'm heading for the wall. And I trip and I twist my ankle and they throw that light on you, you know. So somehow I get through the crying and I keep running. Then the cursing started. She's firing at me from the guard towers. Son of a bang! Son of a boom! I get to the top of the wall, the front door. I open it up. I'm 1 foot away. I take one last look around the penitentiary and I jumped.
See? Never as bad as you imagine.
I like that, Mark.